wanted to jump on. I don't normally do these two a week, but I wanted to jump on because I felt it was relevant to give you an update. So, as I mentioned about a week and a half ago, I got some bad news. The video is called "I Took a Punch." Well, that's kind of in limbo, but as I said, I'd walk you through the steps as I went. So late last week, my wife and I, we met with some lawyers and we're updating our wills and also power of attorneys. You may ask, what is a will? So a will is quite simply how you specify your wishes when you're gone. It's a legally binding document. You can direct your assets, who they go to, if you have children, who will care for them, a lot of interesting and important things. Costs a bit of money, but once you have it in place, it's there. You can update it as you go, which may cost a little bit more to make some adjustments, but in general, that will is in place. So if you have any assets or if you have children, you definitely want a will. Otherwise, like if there isn't a will as well, then the government will get involved and there's other fees. So financially, it makes sense, but also just practically and for your family relations or friendship relations. So that's what a will is and what it does. Highly recommend it. If you don't have the money to see a lawyer, there are some will kits online. You can take a look. If you have a simple estate, it may work, but I always recommend legal advice. Just they're more well versed, they know the details. That brings us to powers of attorney. So, what are powers of attorney? A power of attorney, it kicks in. You can set the conditions, but simply it's usually there. It kicks in if you're incapacitated in some way, you're unable to make a decision on your own. And there's two types. There's a personal power of attorney, and there's property. Personal gives that attorney, the person you name, when those conditions are met, that person can then make decisions over your body. Whatever, do not resuscitate, organ donation, those kind of things. Again, you stipulate what you wish, but they're there and they can make that call. A property power of attorney gives that person the right to sell your assets or care for you, pay bills, etc. So highly recommend wills, powers of attorney. Make sure you have them in place. That's just the quick tip for this week, and it's for the unexpected. You don't expect it to happen, but if it does, you want it. Tyler Wayne here for Hope Financial, and have a great week. I appreciate you. Reach out if you have any questions. Happy to chat.